Hello everybody, this is me again. This is another video that I have decided to create for you to understand a little bit better on how the progress test will work during the next week. Okay, so welcome everybody. This is the progress test for level 5-6. I must tell you first of all that the progress test will have two main parts. The first one has to do with the midterm exam that you will find in the Cambridge book or virtual book in the test section. Okay, is the test B. You have to choose that test and take it through the platform. And the second part is a creative deliverable that you will design, choosing one of the topics from the book and creating a product to be sent. Okay, of course you have to include vocabulary, grammar, expressions, and etc. from the virtual book work. I'm going to explain one by one. So the first one is the Unit 7, as I was saying, Unit 7-12 midterm exam. You will find it, as you can see in this picture, over the test section. Okay, and if you open the options that you have over there in the Unit 7-12 midterm exam, you will find the test B. So this is going to be very similar to the ones that you are accustomed to take during the development of the virtual book activities. You will have 6 days for you to take it from September the 6th to September the 12th. Okay, remember that's the due date. And these tests will correspond to the 30% of the progress test. Okay, 30%. Of course, please try to come with good internet stable connection and headphones for the listening part. The creative deliverable that you will design, well, you must do it individually or by pairs. Okay, you have to choose a topic from the ones that we have worked in the virtual book, and this one will correspond to a 70% of the total progress test. The due date exactly the same. September the 12th is the last day in which you can send me. Well, I included here surprisingly because I'm giving you some examples like a magazine. You can create a magazine, a comic book, a podcast, a story map, a booktuber video, a song, a poem. Well, there are many options for you to send, okay, to me using Brightspace. So, well, I'm going to tell you that these are the main topics that you've been working in the virtual book, like relationships, technology, natural disasters. And in the instructions that you will find in Brightspace, I will give you some suggested materials, okay, like videos or articles that you can have as a point of starting, okay, a starting point, sorry. So it's something that you can take into account to work on that product that you will create. That product, as I was saying, must have a title, of course, some objectives that you can include, a summary of the topic that you selected. The topic is on your choice, okay? Any topic that you like from the virtual book activities. That's why I selected those three main topics, but I think there are some others in the Unit 8, in the Unit 9, Unit 10, Unit 11, okay? Remember, you can take the topics from the book. And it must have your opinion and reflection about that topic, some conclusions, and some references, okay? You must send it through Brightspace, okay? You will find the assignment in Brightspace, so, well, make sure to check it out over there. I included over here some examples for you to explore your creativity, okay? Like, for example, I don't know, you want to create a video, or you want to create a magazine, a podcast, okay? A song, you create and compose a song because you like music, well, I don't know, or a comic story, or probably a paragraph that you want to build on that topic, or a video game, a poem, well, I don't know. There are many possibilities, so please, that's why I said surprise me, okay? You can come up with any kind of product that in which you demonstrate what you have learned during this semester, okay, regarding the topics in the book and etc. So this is just the last reminder. The midterm exam that you find in Cambridge will correspond to 30%, and your deliverable will account for 70% of the total of this progress test. Remember that during this week we don't have tutoring sessions, okay? Next week we don't have tutoring sessions because you must devote all your time to take the progress test, okay? The midterm exam and creating this product. So, well, I hope you can success, and that's all the information that I wanted to give you today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great day.